Alrighty folks, today we've got a 2007 Trail King 53-foot RGN trailer, 11 horsepower, Honda Pony motor up front. There's a hydraulic detach, 102-inch wide deck, 25-foot long deck, outriggers. Here's a TRIAXLE, 55-ton trailer, 15 foot from the start of the rear ramps to the back. Does have a boom well in the center. Air ride in the rear. Crank up this pony motor for y'all. Raises and lowers the trailer, no problem. 2007 LOADKING 53-foot RGN trailer. You can come check this trailer out here at our lot, Finger, Tennessee. You can also check it out on our website, SouthernEquipmentLLC.com. We thank you for watching our video.